Hi, welcome back to our channel. My name is June with RDH Care. In our channel, we share positive parenting tips. Follow us now to have more ideas on parenting inspirations. Have you noticed how much children enjoy the barefoot play? As long as they have a chance to sit down and play, they start taking off their shoes and socks and playing barefoot. No matter they are 6 months old or 4 years old. However, many adults do not allow them to do that because of dirty, safety concerns, or being afraid that it's too cold. In today's video, we are going to talk about the importance of barefoot play for children. 1. Barefoot play allows optimal foot development. Studies suggest that children's shoes interfere with foot development because their feet cannot form naturally but are confined to the footwear. Research shows it's better for infants and toddlers to walk barefoot as much as possible. 2. Barefoot play stimulates pressure points and the nerve system. When children wear shoes, they are missing out the most basic sensory experience. Our feet are wired with multiple pressure points and nerve endings to convey messages to other parts of our bodies. Walking and playing barefoot allows access to thousands of nerves on the bottom of the feet and to our entire nervous system, which leads to overall higher nerve cell activation. It is a natural sensory stimulation that will shape children's cognition, emotional flexibility, and fine motor control. 3. Barefoot play promotes better walking posture. Barefoot play increases body awareness, which translates to how children learn to walk. Walking barefoot strengthens the muscles in children's feet and ankles, improves their balance and posture. It engages the feet arches, strengthens them, and improves the alignments of muscle throughout the legs. Barefoot play promotes the natural movement need for a proper posture, better balance, and coordination. When children have more control of their feet, their movement is more stable. In fact, walking, running, climbing, and playing become safer. Barefoot walking and play not only benefits children's brain, nerves, and muscles, but also foster connection with the nature and help better sleep. What's more, it's fun for children. That's for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us to get more. See you next week.